Verb tenses explained. All 16 tenses with examples. Simple present tense. I play the guitar every day. This tense is used for regular actions or habits. It tells us what you generally do. Simple past tense. I played the guitar yesterday. This tense describes an action that happened and was completed in the past. Simple future tense. I will play the guitar tomorrow. This tense is used for actions that will happen in the future. Will indicates a possibility or prediction. Simple conditional tense. I would play the guitar if I had time. This tense expresses a hypothetical situation. It often requires a condition to be true before the action takes place. Present continuous tense. I am playing the guitar right now. This tense describes an action that is happening at the moment of speaking. Past continuous tense. I was playing the guitar when you called me. This tense describes an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. Future continuous tense. I will be playing the guitar at 7 p.m. tonight. This tense indicates an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Conditional continuous tense. I would be playing the guitar if I weren't working. This tense expresses a hypothetical ongoing action that would happen under certain conditions. Present perfect tense. I have played the guitar for 5 years. This tense conveys an action that started in the past and continues to the present or has relevance to the present. Past perfect tense. I had played the guitar before I moved here. This tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past. Future perfect tense. I will have played the guitar for 10 years by next month. This tense indicates that an action will be completed before a specific time in the future. Conditional perfect tense. I would have played the guitar if I had not lost my job. This tense expresses a hypothetical action that would have happened in the past but didn't due to some condition. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been playing the guitar for 2 hours. This tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been playing the guitar before I took a break. This tense shows that an action was ongoing up until a certain point in the past. Future perfect continuous. I will have been playing the guitar for over an hour by the time you arrive. This tense indicates an ongoing action that will continue until a specific point in the future. Conditional perfect continuous tense. I would have been playing the guitar if it hadn't started raining. This tense reflects a continuous action that could have happened in the past if the circumstances were different.